Now, let me show you how to use and care for a reusable pad. Just like a disposable pad, you will place it inside your panties like this and secure it firmly onto the panties by folding the wings at the bottom and buttoning it. For hygiene purposes, it is recommended to change your pad every 4 to 8 hours. These pads can last you for at least 2 years. To clean your pad, wash off the blood. Then, add a bit of soap and give it a rub. Do not use a brush and do not use bleach. Then, soak the pad in soap water for at least 1 hour. Finally, give it a thorough rinse and hang it out to dry completely before using it again. It is best to wash your pads as soon as possible to avoid stubborn stains on the pad. If you cannot wash your pad immediately, store it inside a plastic bag and wash it when you can. If you would like to fully transition to using reusable pads only, then you need to have at least 4 pads.